Today, we're diving deep into the latest Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. What's so special about this phone? Stick around because we're about to uncover all the details. Alright, let's kick things off with the design and display. The Galaxy A55 5G maintains that sleek premium Samsung look we all know and love. It's got that flat edge design reminiscent of the S-series lineup and those three sleek camera rings on the back. But here's the twist. There's a small bump on the side, dubbed affectionately as Key Island, where the volume rocker and power buttons sit. It's a subtle change but adds a unique flair. Plus, of Corning Gorilla Glass Victus and IP67 rating, this phone is both durable and resistant to water and dust. Now let's talk about that display. We're looking at a 6.6-inch Super Amoled panel with FHD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. Sure, the bezels could be thinner, but trust me, the viewing experience is still top-notch, whether you're binge-watching Netflix or scrolling for your feed. Moving on to cameras, the Galaxy A55 packs a punch with its triple rear camera setup. You've got 50-megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization and 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 5-megapixel macro unit. Day or night, these cameras deliver impressive shots thanks to Samsung's artificial intelligence image signal processing. And let's not forget about that 32-megapixel selfie camera, perfect for capturing those Insta-worthy moments. Now let's talk performance and software. Under the hood, we've got the Exynos 1480 SoC paired with up to 12 gigs of RAM. Synthetic benchmarks are solid and real-world performance, smooth as butter. Whether you're gaming or multitasking, the Galaxy A55 5G handles it all with ease. Plus, with Android 14-based OneUI 5.1, you're getting a clean, intuitive user experience. Alright, battery and charging. With a 5,000 mAh battery and 25-watt fast charging support, this phone keeps you going all day long. And while the charger needs to be purchased separately, once you've got it, you can juice up from 20% to 100% in just over an hour. That's pretty impressive, if you ask me. So, what's the final verdict? Well, at a starting price of 39,999 Indian rupees, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is a solid choice for anyone looking for a premium yet affordable smartphone. Sure, it might not have all the bells and whistles of its competitors, but with its sturdy design, upgraded performance, impressive camera system, and long-lasting battery, it's definitely worth considering. Alright, folks, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech video. As always, see you in the next one. Peace out.